How to change WhatsApp profile photo on Android. So hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change WhatsApp profile photo on Android. So to change your profile photo on WhatsApp, what you have to do is open your WhatsApp Messenger app, then tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner. Now tap on settings. Now tap on your name and then tap edit. Now select camera if you'd like to click your picture instantly, or select gallery if you'd like to choose a picture from your mobile gallery. Or you can just simply import your profile picture from the Instagram or Facebook or create an AI images. Just select your preferred option and choose a picture from the gallery. Now crop and adjust the image as needed, then tap done or OK to save it. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.